This is a video walkthrough tour of 1558 West 5th Street in Tempe, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Tempe, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Tempe. Welcome to this spacious and beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 3-bath duplex in the heart of Tempe. Inside, you'll find a modern kitchen featuring abundant cabinet space, sleek stainless steel appliances, and stylish lighting throughout. This home is designed for both convenience and everyday comfort. Beautifully remodeled bathrooms add a fresh, contemporary touch, while ceiling fans throughout the home help keep every room comfortable year-round. Outside, low-maintenance desert landscaping in both the front and backyard means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying everything Tempe has to offer. The location is one of this home's greatest features. Conveniently located just minutes from US 60, Loop 202, I-10, and Loop 101, commuting throughout the valley is simple and efficient. You'll also be close to Tempe Town Lake, Hayden Butte Preserve, Papago Park, Arizona State University, the Mill Avenue District, and a wide variety of shopping, dining, and entertainment destinations. With stylish updates, a spacious layout, and an outstanding Tempe location, this home offers an exceptional rental opportunity. A spacious laundry room, complete with a full-size washer and dryer, adds even more convenience. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Schedule a tour today.